Using the text tool, you can create easily editable vector text. When using the text tool, you can click anywhere in the workspace to create text there. Before or after you've typed the text, you can alter its properties. First, we select which font to use. Then you can change the text's alignment and even curve into an arc. You can also alter the text's height, character distance, the line distance, and shear it to make it slanted. SignCut Draw includes a spell check. When you click on the spell check button, it will go through the text step by step and give recommended fixes. You can also add a fixed length text by clicking and dragging a box with the text tool. When you type the text, it will shrink to keep within the maximum length.